Squeeze them. There's 860.
What's up?
What's up?
What's up? Wild day.
Big old reversal here.
Mm-hmm.
You see the 30-minute reversal, dude? The 30-minute reversal is beautiful.
Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that bad boy.
Yeah.
Dang, son.
Damn, son.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
IWM literally is just repeating what happened Friday. And then it's just going to go back into the range from yesterday. Crazy.
Trying to reclaim on the daily some really key levels. SPY needs to get back to Friday's low before I feel that great about it. QQQ is almost there. What a day. Oh, let's. Come on, squeeze them. Squeeze them.
Rip it, Lotto, rip it.
There we go. What a freaking move. I hate playing breakouts, but that was nice. What do you even want to stay over now? QQQ almost to Friday's low. I'm not talking about after hours. IndieX. We need to go. What is this? 929. It's still 80 points higher. What's that, like 960s? SPY just hit VWAP. This is not Friday, that's for sure.
No, today's Taco Tuesday.
Yeah. Oh, that's right.
And I am for sure having tacos.
Yeah, I had 2 big fat breakfast burritos. Oh my Diablo sauce still sitting right here.
Ooh.
I forgot to take that to the kitchen. Oops.
Does my mic sound all right, or is it picking up a lot of background?
Sounds okay.
Sounds good. All right, cool. I have it connected to this little one here on my shirt.
Oh, was that like a little DJI?
Yeah.
There is no Taco Bell in Mexico. I buy the sauce and bring it with me.
He has to fly all the way back to Arkansas, get Taco Bell, and then go back home.
Yeah.
It's the only way he can get it. I tried to send him some through the mail, but it got confiscated by customs before it ever got to him. Could be a re-short spot on SPY. Little pullback. And see if it holds EMAs or higher to low to continue.
If this holds right here on Qs, I don't know. I just got myself back decently green on the day, scalping around. You have your light turned off today or something. So you don't have your light on or something. It's like dark.
It's cloudy today. It's been been
Don't you have like
sunny.
one of those ring lights though?
Yeah, I got one right here in front of me. But dude, it's been sunny for the last like 2 weeks, but now it's cloudy. That's why.
It's been raining here for like every day. Rainy season.
I'm gonna turn that light on, see if that brightens me up just a tad. Nope, not really.
What did SPX hit? Oh, 350 hold number. This puts in a bottom wick on this candle. I'll think about longing it again. EMAs.
I should have taken that short right there for just a quick little scalp.
Dude, they just wrecked everything today, pretty much. Visa's still green. Boy, that 920 spot was clutch. That 920 was just oof.
What a smackdown. Damn. I bet that's 100 points too on NQ, which is wild.
200 points.
That rejection?
Yeah, dude, these ranges.
No
are fucking
way.
wild.
Yes, sir. 190 points. Yes, sir. Why do I know that?
Because you've been doing it all day.
No, because I got actually caught with when the news came out at the helicopter. I had to get stopped out at a loss, so I was negative for the day. But that short there got me positive.
Nice. Oh my god.
I was battling all day. I've been battling all day. So similar to Friday.
Yeah,
Friday's a good day. Today is just a barely green day.
200
But it
points.
was
I'm about
brutal.
to. Hold on. Let me
It's
pull
probably
up.
long right here.
Yeah, let me pull up the futures account because this is nuts. If I can get 200 points in a 5-minute game.
Dude, you don't need any size.
I
When
know.
you said
and I'm-
long right here, it's like I was like, oh, it's by the 9. I figured it was 06. It's at 70 points. It's 50 points higher.
That's crazy.
Back over 780 is a long again. What did ES hit? What low was that? I had that marked.
I had a spot. I didn't have it on cues,
Oh,
but I had a spot here on SPY.
Sunday night
Yes.
slow. Yeah. QQQ's over it. There we go. Come on. Come on. Let's run this thing up.
Run it up, run it up. Bag it up, bag it up.
Cooking up dope in the crock pot.
Cooking up dope in the crock pot. Oh.
There. That was a buy right there. Beautiful.
Yeah, I'm getting my future count pulled up. The second I do, I'm going 4 MNQ long and just letting it ride. Let's see. Refresh. Come on, baby. Open it up. Open it up. Refresh, motherfucker. There we go. Count's pulled up. Let's go.
Come on, ES, get through there. Where's VWAP? Oh, ES's VWAP is down here. So is SPY's.
Pepsi Cola.
Mike. Friendly reminder to everyone, if you are watching on YouTube, make sure you click live.
Just hit the 30-minute 9 after that reversal came in.
Where's Jordan? Oh, he said he'll be here. Was there news or just bouncing out of the? We're bouncing, period. But there wasn't any like upside news. What are you watching? Freaks on Instagram over there. TikTok. I recognize that voice too. I watched this video. What is that? Oh, this is the Barstool Pizza review in Chicago, and the homeless guy just takes a slice and burns his
Oh,
hand
and just
walks,
leaves.
just leaves.
Yeah.
I watched. I remember watching this video.
I watched that yesterday.
That's just hammering that pizza. You got him in the background there. I don't know how he's doing it. This is like 150 degrees.
God, if ES can just blast her right here. It's just tough. These ranges are so wide.
This is pretty good pizza. Lou Malnati's, the one by Everett. The rules were at the corner of East Cedar Street in Rough Street, Michigan Street, State Street, State Street. Wow. I could burn my lip with that.
Honestly, if they want this 15-minute candle to close red like this, it's probably fine.
Lou Malnati's, huh?
And then the next one's just green. ES is stuck.
What's that thing?
A
What?
stupid pivot point. And Friday's low. Or Sunday's low.
You got that thing like Tyler O'Day mentioned for us in the college program? The right word, Tyler O'Day. Tyler O'Day. Nope. Big Vines runs an extra pass. Billy, we get 38 home runs.
Come on, push. His hourly close is beautiful. There's an epic fight on Spy right now. It's a little too extended for my liking to chase in more.
Like Reddit.
Spies are just battling the VWAP. They're like reloaded. All right. Hourly close. You got the little red 15-minute reset. Fiserv, there's an active investor.
A lot of call flow on NBIS. $240s for 612.
What's up, boys?
Who's that?
Hello, gang.
Orale.
Ole, papi.
Wow, did you
What's
see
up,
where
Joey?
we bounced on NQ, Casey?
You say, Jordan?
Bounced off this on the weekly on NQ. There's like this that gap in those weekly candles from May 4th to like April 27th. Those weeks, we bounced perfectly off of that.
Bounced out of it or off of it?
Like off of that level perfectly, almost.
Where do you have it?
Weekly ES.
Oh, yes. No, I don't have it on yes either.
If you do, it just needs to be zoomed out more.
What? There's nothing.
It's from that Monday, May 4th to April 27th, the week before. The week before that closing into the opening.
Oh, this little.
We bounced off that like closing price from that last week, that April 27th week, perfectly. Yeah, you might have to
On the May
or whatever, but
I don't. I had on QQQ. There's a double bottom on the edge of this gap right here. At a fib. Right there.
oh yeah.
Oh, I want this. I want them to go squeeze these shorts so bad.
We bounced pretty good.
Yeah, I've been all over the place today. I was up nicely only on longs this morning, and then gave some of it back when that last little news thing came out.
I am long.
Fought my way all the way back. Yeah, I'm long here.
I played longs targeting previous day high on ES, exactly like I said yesterday. Played it. That turned out to be just like a fake out to dump it, which the short was better, but I already made my move that I wanted to, so.
Yeah, I've been wrestling this thing today. I was just wrestling.
Wrestle.
I think we're gonna get to at least Friday low. Let me put that on here. 100 points from right here. That's the plan. ES is right at the spot it's got to break over.
Fucking Reddit is popping.
Oh boy. What are they doing? I don't like it.
Man, Nick Drendel came on last week and gave us some sauce. He said he was getting short AXTI last Wednesday. AXTI since then, just today, it's down 13%. Since Wednesday, it's down like 28.5%. Shout out, Nick.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna get my fill. Just
Mhm.
hopping.
Come on, buyers. What is it? Two. Still got hour 45. That True Social post was so dirty today. So dirty. What's Reddit doing?
Cruising up from the low. I didn't get filled.
Dude, do you see this purple EMA right? Hold on. Let me zoom in. You see this little purple EMA right here on the daily?
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, closed above, 3, 4, 5 wicks. Hold on. There you go. Closed
Hey,
above.
you-
1,
You
2.
have your squeeze indicator turned on?
Not on that setup, but I can do it on this one.
Do it to your weekly chart on Reddit. Let me know what yours says.
Ooh, it's about to cross upside, and it's pretty squeezed.
And it's red.
It's not a
Yup.
green one yet, but it's close.
Not yet, but it's getting there.
Is she close?
Yeah. I'm watching some call swings, probably July. I wanted to take it for a little day trade into the close, but I still like it for a swing too.
Yes, it's stuck right on Friday's low. Or I guess it's Sunday's little double bottom. Fuck.
I hate like 90% of the daily charts on my watch list.
The funny thing is, out of the gate, we hit all the targets I wanted. ES hit the golden retrace I was looking for. We hit the 20-day. Exactly rejected the 20-day on SPY. QQQ, it was the daily 9, which is way lower now because it pulled in, but the daily 9 was right here whenever we hit it. It's kind of looking like it wants to roll over and not go.
Visa and MasterCard are interesting.
What did oil's pushing back up now?
Oh,
What about people who say you're only interested in the Middle East for oil?
What? Huh? Oil? Who said something
Come
about
on.
oil, bitch? You cooking? Oh. Yeah, I know it. Come on, y'all, get out of here.
SpaceX is 4 times over risk. Pack a little lip pillow. Can you take me higher? His bull flag wants to go.
we popping yet?
It's trying so hard.
I'm up 75 points. Woo.
75 points is nothing on a 1,600 point day.
Dude, usually I'd be like, I'm all out or runners by this point. I haven't
Yeah.
even trimmed yet. It's fucking wild. Now, looking at my P&L, should I trim? Probably.
Oh no, don't reject right there again. Push.
Here, I'll take one off.
Push.
'Cause we're at 900. I'm about to be up 100 points here.
Dude, I shorted on an eval on this morning and forgot about it because I was trading my other real accounts.
100
And,
points trim, Phil. Damn!
I'm up
Crazy.
still up 70k. I'm trying to lose money. I was up 100k earlier. So stupid.
Oh my god. I love when the VIX is high like this.
We need 30 more points. There we go. Push. Push.
Oh shit!
Let's go.
140 points.
Trim. I gotta
okay.
trim. I gotta trim.
I trimmed. Yep. Well, they just filmed me at. Hold on. I'll make sure.
We didn't quite get
942.
there, but we just hit VWAP on ES and QQQ's at VWAP right here. QQQ, the target's a little bit higher actually. Friday's low. NFP. That's pretty damn close though. It was 20 cents away.
Dude, that's wild.
That was a beautiful candle though. Please don't reverse the whole thing. Oh, we got one little trim off.
Dude, I haven't got to trade futures. Like, day trading it with VIX this high. Really.
You're for sure on the wrong mic.
Who, me?
Yeah.
Oh, he's got it on his
Why does it sound different?
Yeah. It sounds like muffled.
Oh, it does it?
it's a little bit.
It sounds like you have like a bag over it usually than what you usually do.
In my-
Oh, you're wearing a little Lav
How
mic?
about how about now? Still
It's
muffled?
weird the way it picks your it just
lo-
sounds different. It doesn't sound like
It's
you,
lower
and we hear
quality
you.
than your other one.
We hear you
Well,
like
I
loud
usually
every
use
day.
my AirPods.
Ah,
That's the reason
Gotcha.
why I use another microphone, because on my AirPods it's always so fucking loud.
Do you have
it
your
doesn't sound bad though.
your other mics connected to your Discord stream, right?
Yeah, that one's connected to Discord.
That makes sense.
That's what I have. I have this old blue snowball that's connected to my Discord, and then I have this whatever this is. Sure. Dude, I should just put it around my neck, like right here. Can you take me higher?
Yeah, I mainly just got this for like TikTok videos and shit. But
You know, it's funny. I was long this morning on this spot over here with a trim at 973. The high was 972. I'm still pissed about that. I still have an order sitting here. Refuse to delete it.
all right, that's
We went
145 points. I mean,
750 points lower to come back.
I guess I'll close this trade at 29K. I don't fucking know. What if I put the mic just right here? It looks like I'm talking into this one, but I'm really talking into this one.
I have this 973, 974 area. I have 09, and then I have the retrace halfback of the day at 038. But I am a little concerned right here, right now. Friday's low QQQ. Hopefully we just blast through it. Just run over these dumbass, stupid ass, janky ass, all excited ass bears.
Fucking Reddit, man. Gosh. Stop going higher. Pull back.
Oh, I swear to God, if this does a double top at 72 and doesn't take either one of the trims I've had today. New high of day?
There's no way.
What? You guys don't
Yeah.
think we can go to new high of day?
I think we could, but we not there yet.
What? Dude, if we go to a new high of day,
Peace
We've seen it
Dylan, just
before.
instantly
There's so
boom.
much time left. We've seen it before.
Jordan.
I got my trim, by the way, right there.
Anything can happen. That's my mindset always.
Big
If we
trim.
go to a new high of day, I would be up over 1,000 points on this long.
That'd be ridiculous.
There's no, you know what? Okay, I'm never gonna trim this contract. I'm just gonna keep moving my stop up until whenever. Just
10
let it
account
run.
giveaway if we hit a new high a day. Oh,
If we make a new high of day, I'm leaving. I'm not gonna trade tomorrow. I mean, I'm joking. I'm not actually looking for. Just to be clear here, that's not a realistic target of mine. That was a major trim spot though. That's Friday's low on QQQ. That's the back test. That's your NFP low.
Dude, it's so weird how that move right there is 165 points. I feel like it should be 25 points.
Have you seen the range for the day? It's literally.
I know. I'm just looking at my QQQ 5-minute chart. I'm like, how the hell was I just up 165 points off of that? It doesn't
look,
make sense.
we went We went from high to low 1,600 points, and from low to this afternoon high 750 points back. I was kind of right about it not being the same as Friday, but I was kind of not right because it went way lower than I thought it was going to. I did not expect us to go down 4% again. What does it got to hold though? Where does it hold here? 920? Oh, yes. Yes, you could probably even come down to 55. All right, I've got too many lines on my chart. That was halfback on ES right there, by the way. 69.
I kind of want to average up into this trade.
Shit.
No risk. No robbery. Bro, it's crazy. When the video hit 200 earlier, I was on stream and I saw 205 calls come in for Friday. And I was like, what kind of fucking degens are coming out right now thinking we're going to bounce right here? Lo and behold, the video is now at 206.
Yeah.
Back over previous day low. Those degens
The
got
video at
someone
200.
bought a, dude, someone bought a, I'll pull it up. Someone bought $1 million worth of those calls. Let me see if I can
SD
pull it up.
Hynix back over. The
Here it is. No, sorry. Those 205 calls for tomorrow, not Friday. Someone bought 6,400 of those contracts at $1.60 earlier for $1 million. Oh, look, I should have averaged up into this. Look at it. Look at it. It's gonna freaking just go.
the NQ halfback cover was asking that question. I have it at 29,038.
CPI in the morning.
Golden retrace is 229. That's crazy range. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. Squeeze him.
Oh my god! I should have averaged up into it.
Squeeze him.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Give me that halfback.
That's 200 points, baby. Ah!
Give me that halfback.
Oh, here we go. 200 points.
Give
I
it to
can't
him.
sell it though.
Boom.
Oh, that is my midpoint line right there, though. Oh. All right.
All right, let's move some stops way up. That was halfback
Yeah.
exactly. That's why I trimmed right there.
Yep.
It did a little wick through it, but oh,
Fucking Reddit.
my
Oh,
P&L made a V-shaped recovery today. SpaceX has drawn 250 billion in investor demand versus the 75 billion target. Oh my god. Dude, this daily candle is wicked too. Look at this. SPY is back at Friday's low as well. Oh, if this reclaims, these bears are going to get
Keep it in the range.
ran over. Oil just settled right there too. Oh. Why can't they get? Let's squeeze upside the way we just knife downside.
I have a real question. If there's that much demand for the shares, isn't that shit gonna fly on the IPO? I mean, I think so. With
Good
as much
question.
hype as it has, I do think it's gonna fly initially. But I think that's it's gonna be a party that gets shut down.
The problem is
Some
at what
point and
price?
gets slammed off.
At what price though? Because what they'll do is like the
Yeah.
opening price will just be so astronomically higher than the issue price.
Yeah, than what you thought.
'Cause
Yeah,
if the issue price is like 135 and this thing opens at like 300, like who's buying that?
exactly.
It's not going to like that would be insane. Is that Sats moving? What's the other one? DX. What's the other thing that has SpaceX? DX something. I can't remember. DXYZ, that's what it is. Boy, that thing got crushed today. I need to lose another 50,000 on this eval.
Yeah, DKNG looks good.
No. Whatever, Josh, whatever you the IPO issue price versus the open price are two completely different things. And I'm not going to sit here and pretend like I have the answer to how they calculate all that stuff, but they issue it based on the how much they want at what valuation. And then where it actually opens, I think it's based on like demand and stuff. Some market maker, like Frank probably knows that answer. Some market maker's got to figure out where he's comfortable above the price, starting to make a market for it.
basically where supply meets demand. They freeze it and open it, and I'm almost positive it's going to be above 135. If it's not, it's a problem.
Google backstops underpin 35 billion chip deal for Anthropic. I don't know what that means, but there's a headline. I just have one runner left just to see how high this thing can recover. I mean, you got VWAP at 100. You've got, I mean, way higher than that. I mean, if it goes much higher than that too, though, like what valuation are you putting on this thing? Open up at a 3 trillion valuation, way higher than what? I mean, that wouldn't make any sense either. The whole thing is going to be wild. It's one of one. It's very unique. And we'll be live here all day Friday. There's 2x leverage. ETFs dropping within an hour of the open too. Bring your popcorn for Friday,
If I
guys.
had to put a price on it, I'd say 150 to 180.
What is that, about 30-40% higher than?
Yep.
Let's see. Let's just use this as a scale.
You'll know by the way it opens whether a lot of people that didn't get an IPO that want to own it will submit odd lot orders, which is like less than 100 shares. And that can add up to a lot of shares. So they have to keep a track of that also.
Let's see.
It's going to be wild.
If it opens, so 135 is, if that's the issue price, 162 open would be 20% over. 33% over would be 180. This is probably the best.
But I'm
guess.
completely guessing. Yeah.
Well, I mean, the thing is, like, what's the valuation on it? Like 2 trillion or something like that? I mean,
1.5 trillion.
1.5. If it opens at 180, it'll be opening at 2 trillion.
Yeah.
That's how does that even sustainable? They have like 18 billion in revenue. $18.7 billion in revenue last year. I'm just gonna open it 1.5 to 2 trillion. Where's that meme of the guy, the intelligent investor? He's got his book. He's just throwing it in the trash. Spy's like closing 5-minute candles inside of Friday's range.
Draw a fib on QQQ from high of day to low of day. That's your halfback, 50% range.
Remember when I said I was trimming a halfback? That's it.
I have a midpoint line on QQQ right at 706. Pretty short spot.
You know what's crazy? Our IV low today is still almost 400 points higher.
With that being said, I'm gonna lock in a nice $1,000 43.50 profit here and lock this account. Lock trading. Done.
Guys, reminder, we're doing an in-person event. Manhattan, Times Square, August 3rd. Go to summit.wolf.financial for all the details. Everyone that you see up here right now will be there. Jason Paper Gains will be there. Stock Talk, Scott Redler, the Einstein of Wall Street, Peter Tuchman, JC Peretz. A lot of people know him in the space. All of them giving a bunch of different valuable lessons throughout the day, as well as we'll be doing some live trading. We'll also have some breakout groups there. Maple Stacks, Knots will be there. Of course, Evan, Face Reveal. That's worth the price of admission right there.
I agree.
But we'll
I'm
be there
excited.
in person all day event. We've rented out a venue. We're not making money on this thing. This is literally just covering expenses, but we want to get everyone together after years and years of doing spaces and live streams with you guys. We want to meet you guys in person, have a little bit more of that personal touch to it, get to know you guys, and then we've packed in a ton of value from a bunch of big speakers, big names in the space. August 3rd. Hope to see you guys there. We do have a happy hour that's happening after. We've rented out a bar venue, whatever you want to call it, for that. We also have a hotel block with a discounted rate right there on Times Square. If you've never been to Times Square, it's probably worth the trip as well. As bring the wifey, let her explore a little bit. A third of the tickets basically have been sold at this point. Somewhere in that range. We are just around 2 months away, just under 2 months away from that. I know a lot of you guys have signed up, especially in this chat. I think this chat has the most people signed up so far. And then I've gotten several DMs from you guys that were interested in coming. You were just trying to figure out travel plans, stuff like that.
Let's go. Let's make sure the whole crew's there, baby. Voluntarily get mogged by Jordan? Nah, bro. Y'all probably mogged me. Watch, there's gonna be some unknown slayers in the audience there.
Why is it a 100-point rejection? Holy shit.
Oh, and if you have a public account or open and fund, just put some money into a public account, you get a 67% discount on the entry price. Reminder of that. Shout
Fucking
out.
do it.
It's huge.
Do it. Big discount by doing that.
Look, I'm not even
It's
paying to go. I opened a public account just to check it out.
easy. Yep.
I've heard public's actually really good. We'll see. I don't know. I'm sick of Robinhood, to be 100% honest.
Robin Hood. Always be Robin Hood.
You know what I should have stayed short was Circle. Man.
I checked that, on Sunday, and I was like, man, you know how many times we've talked about that on stream, and just for the last few weeks, that was disgusting.
Good God, Bitcoin couldn't even reclaim. Oh Lord. Oh.
Dude, look at DraftKings today.
Sorry. Pay my respects again. DraftKings. So I was talking. Paper Games was here this morning. We are talking about DraftKings. Somebody in the comments said that they had like a billion active user, or billion, what was it, billion volume or something. Can't remember what that headline was, but they had that headline. You also have to think you have the World Cup starting on Thursday. You have NBA finals still going on. You have the UFC event this week. I mean, there's a ton of like big sport things going on too.
Then a daily squeeze, baby. We'll pull up the squeeze indicator on that daily chart. It's looking good.
I want to be bullish so bad.
On DraftKings?
Yeah, it's just they need to add prediction markets.
Yeah.
If they add prediction markets, I'll be back bullish on it again.
I think it's worth it to maybe not options, but I mean owning equity down here in the mid 20s, and then you can sell, some covered calls, sell some cash secured puts if it goes a little bit lower. But it's definitely it's a tough one to actively try to trade options on, because you have to get lucky with your timing to catch the days where it gets a move like this, or sit in like January.
Yeah, DraftKings, you have to sit in like longer dated.
Yeah. ARM 350 calls coming in for 7/24 2026 expiration.
I mean, the other thing you think about on the NFL season's the most, that usually runs up into NFL season, cools off during the middle of the year a little bit, spikes again into the Super Bowl or like end of the year. So maybe you get a little early run.
All right, guys. I gotta head out. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning for Wacky
KC.
Wednesday.
Later,
Y'all have a
Casey.
great
We'll
rest of
see you
your day.
tomorrow.
See
I'll
you,
see you
Case.
later. Later, guys.
The go.
I'll say this as well. If you're new, make sure you subscribe to the channel, drop a like on the stream, turn on notifications. We only go live whenever the market goes live, but turning on notifications helps us in the algo actually. So YouTube actually rewards that. So even if you don't, most of you guys are already here whenever the market's opening, whenever I go live every morning. But if you turn on notifications, it's not really going to change anything for you, but what it will do is help support our channel getting out there. Doesn't cost you anything, but that would be a super cool thing if you did that for us. Appreciate that. If you are here on Paper Gains channel, make sure you are liked and subscribed on Paper Gains' channel. See several of you guys over there hanging out with us today. Shout out to Jason. He was here trading with us this morning. Had to go, I think he had to go help Mama Gains out a little bit. And then KC Trades crew live as well. Shout out to you guys over there on that channel. My thoughts long term on DraftKings. I don't like DraftKings now until I will pivot back into DraftKings. I was bullish on DraftKings before. I'm still bullish on sports betting. I think there's a big opportunity there. I'm more bullish probably on prediction markets right now just because of the market share. I think you need DraftKings to add prediction markets, which is not a hard add. I think they're just waiting on regulatory to get clarified. And then I will be bullish on it again. There's a time coming in the very near future where your TV will have live odds and betting on there. You're watching your favorite NFL team, or you're watching a Sunday night football game, whatever it is, Saturday college football, something. Maybe you're watching game 4 tomorrow night, and the live odds are on there where you can interact and bet live on your TV, or you can, watch the lines live like a DraftKings plugin type of thing, or an overlay on your screen. Maybe it's not DraftKings, maybe it's somebody else, but I do think that that's coming. Bud is a World Cup play. I like Constellation Brands, actually. STZ. I think there's a possible recovery here. But I think that's like a third derivative. They have Modelo and a bunch of those beers. Bang. I appreciate all of you that just went in and turned on notifications. I see several people just went and click that. We appreciate
Let's
that.
go. People listening.
Also, a lot of
go.
people drop a like on the stream just then. That means a lot, guys. We do this for free. Shout out to Leverage Shares, making this possible to be free, live, all day, every day, sponsoring this. And shout out to you guys, just
I
helping
like
us
to
grow
stream
out
every
there.
morning when you start it.
I always
My
forget.
personal.
I'm adding mine. I'm number 87 right there.
I have the stream up all morning when I'm in spaces.
Dude, I have my I have mine running all day over here, but I
I'm
always
not like
forget to,
actively looking at it the whole time, of course, but I have it open always.
Oh, what a beautiful hold. What a beautiful hold. Are we reclaiming? Are we reclaiming Friday? Rooster, appreciate your contribution. Liking
Shout
and
out.
unliking. That, yeah,
We love it.
man. But yeah, those
By
of
the
you that
way,
are
guys,
over on,
reminder. What's up? Sorry.
I was just gonna say the ones that are over on, if you're on Paper Gains' stream, make sure you like, subscribe over there. He goes live on Mondays. He'll also be on Technical Tuesday tonight with Amit. Shout out to our friend Amit, running the market open, market close. Most of you guys watch that. I usually watch it, especially Tuesday nights on Papers over there, just comparing my charts to his. What were you gonna say, Jordan?
I was just gonna say that that limited time flash sale on Tradeify is going on until tonight as well. 40% off unlimited uses
Oh, is that until
Until-
tonight?
until 11:59 p.m.
Oh, I thought it was
tonight.
noon. Oh, it is PM. I didn't even read the whole
PM.
thing. All right, 40% off with code WOLF at Tradeify until midnight tonight.
I know that throws you off because you think it's 12, so it should be 12 p.m. would be middle of the day, but it's 11:59 p.m., so it's nighttime. Screws me up. I hate when they do that.
Yeah, I actually saw several people go in and take advantage of that 40% off.
Yeah, let's go. Use code WOLF. I put the link on the Wolf Trading timeline as well. If you scroll for a few posts, it's on there.
40% off.
Yes, sir. 40.
Embarrassed by this. For those of you that are crying and screaming about how we deserve to have a watch party next to Madison Square Garden, no, we don't.
What's this? That's
And
funny.
again,
Oh, that's
I know
Frank.
you're talking about a
Frank-
small minority of
Frank
people
he tries to stop over trading. He starts watching TikTok.
smoker or whatever it might be, who ruin it for everybody
Sorry.
else.
No, you're fine. I thought somebody was like officially speaking or something. Oh, CPI tomorrow. I wonder if it's another like muted CPI reaction like we've had. Last time was lame. Wolf X on Apex. Yes, sir. Are they still doing the deal? I don't even remember if they're still
They
doing
had
it. I think they
90%
are.
off. I think they still have 90% off.
No activation fee anymore. Up to 20 accounts.
Any idea on Shark Ninja? I don't know. Do they have news? Nothing really new. Let's see if there's any news on Shark Ninja. I'll check for you, Peter. I see multiple other people asking the same thing. Not really see much new on Shark Ninja. I see a bunch of people saying that they're already in it, of course. It always happens on X.
Are we talking about some crypto coin right now?
No, Shark Ninja, dude.
Fucking Shark Ninja.
You don't know what Shark Ninja is?
Shark Ninja, no. What is it?
What? Dude, they make like all of your household, like your
Are they the ones that make
vacuum-
vacuums?
Yeah,
that one?
your blenders.
It's that
all that.
one. I've seen that. That's why I've seen that logo. Like I'm thinking of the logo.
Oh, give me VWAP. Give me VWAP.
Ninja. Shark Tank. And for those reasons, I'm out. Young Buck, yeah.
Come on, let's get VWAP.
I am a young buck.
We wop. We wop.
Raging Bulls. Bro, people coming at me asking me like, is this still a bull market type shit? I'm like, what are you talking about? Really? Yeah, it is.
We are still in a bull market. I don't understand what. Here we go. I'm gonna trim here at VWAP. I only have one.
It's
trim left
hilarious
either
to
way.
see the Fear and Greed index drop from 60 last week to 30. It's in fear now. You know what I'm saying? 2
DS
days
is
down,
almost to its golden retrace too. It's a good trim spot just over our heads here.
Yeah, red day these days equals bear market. And all the bears start puffing their chest out on the timeline, bro. They start big dogging everybody like, oh, I caught the top. Yeah, all right. Let's see how long
They had
that
nothing
lasts.
to do for like 9 weeks. So like, you know, let them have Friday. Let them have
Let
their
them
you know,
have
4
their
hours
days,
this morning.
yeah.
It's
Fun.
fine. And look, I love to short.
I've been playing the short intraday. Like, I'm not against it. It's just like funny to see that people think it's all over after 1-2 days of like downside. It's like, wow. All this time, all this price action, we still haven't learned. But
I keep just trimming and then like adding one back and then trimming it at the next spot. It's just
yeah, it's great.
this. And I hate trading like this. I'm literally trading way different than how I normally do, but do what the market's
You've
doing.
learned to trade it well, though. Like, I don't know exactly what adjustments you made, but like, you trade the trend pretty damn well now. Like, you know how to hold those positions. You know how to position yourself
it's-
well. Like, I don't know. I've seen you pretty much kill it. So, I know there's times where, you know, you get stuck in an early position and yeah, you may end up like sacrificing a couple accounts here or there, but like, dude, it doesn't matter when you're cooking most of the time.
Yeah.
Like,
I get like the reason I run multiple accounts is because it can be a little bit riskier on some.
exactly. Well, and it's not the end of the world if you blow one or if you screw up heavily on one or hit a daily loss limit, you know? Like, it's not the end of the world. If I hit daily loss limit on all my accounts, it's a really, really bad day.
My daily loss limit is the account.
Yeah, exactly. And then that motherfucking shit, man.
Bro, one day Rizzo said,
That's
he
hilarious.
said my stop loss is the account. I just lost.
I mean, when I'm trading evals, it's like that a lot of the time. I'll be like, bro, if I really love the position and like I already have like all my other accounts and I just bought an eval, I'll throw the whole account on a trade. I'll throw half the account on a trade. Why not?
Especially once you get like 3-4 payouts in an account, you're like, okay.
Well, yeah, because what I'm paying, if I'm getting a 50K, especially because that's what I mainly trade, like I'm paying $80 to send it and see if I can fund that thing right now. Like, I'll take that all day. That account will make me thousands of dollars if I pass it.
Shark Ninja.
Data J. It's so true.
Shark Ninja's what a 5-year-old boy would name a company. Yeah, I didn't see any news on it. It does sometimes move rate sensitive, but I don't know. Knott's is Oscar Health though. That one looks really good. Multiple year breakout here. Broke out, back tested, and went. Don't get me started singing Baby Shark.
No.
Dude, losing money on an eval is the hardest thing.
Are you trying to right now?
Just trying to full port the opposite direct. I mean, this eval's lost because I forgot about it this morning because things got so hectic with my actual accounts. I mean, I can't make more than 3K in a day, and I'm up 53K.
That's where you just gotta go like
I was up 100. I was up
Max
100,000. I kept
max
trying to.
pawns
Dude.
and just long or short, and every little rejection, it's like minus 200, minus 400. You just take it.
So I kept, dude, that's what I was trying to do, and I wasn't.
And then you get caught in a candle that's like plus 1400, and you're like, damn it, I need to lose money.
If I was trying to
the
save an
worst.
account, I'd chop myself to pieces. And
I luckily don't put myself in that position too often, but sometimes it does happen, and I'm just like, bro, this sucks. I'm just like,
well, like I forgot about it, and I looked, and it was because like I was like, oh, okay, well, I'll just throw the same trade on against my other trade. There we go. Squeeze City. Let's get a golden retrace. God, can we? 228? That would be just gnarly.
Ace P&L for the past month. It's
We're
wide
900
open with
points
all
off
the
the
accounts.
lows. Holy shit.
Oh my goodness.
What a day. This is Reclaim. Oh my god. I brought this eval was I was up 100K and now I'm up 45 of them. That one's almost back. Just keep like 3. I need it back to 3,000.
Yeah, I trade options. It looks pretty wild with all the accounts put together in the calendar, but overall, like over this past month, I've only taken like a couple thousand in payouts.
I am down to one runner. I got that VWAP trim when it blew through it. There's the golden retrace right there on ES. Do I flip max long now?
Max long.
I'm trying to lose money and it's just tough.
Full stop loss at the EMA.
I don't know. VWAP.
Bro, you
golden
ever run a
retrace on
partial
ES.
stop? You ever run a partial stop, Imp? Like,
What's that?
I'll stop out like portion here, and I'll stop out the rest here. It's like the new strat, bro. It's the new meta. It's the new meta. Partial stops instead of like partial TPs. We do partial stops. Should try it, bro.
Right. I need to lose 43,000 in an hour.
4,300.
No, 1,000.
You need to lose $43,000.
Yeah. Dude, I'm telling you. So I looked at this thing.
What happened, bro? You need to lose 43K
So-
in a 150K account?
It's a 100K account. I was only supposed to make 3K. I got distracted trading my actual accounts. I just threw on a position. I tried to come back and I was over what I was supposed to make. So I tried to inverse it and then we kept going down. So I made more. I tried to inverse that and I made more. And then I just gave up and forgot about it completely.
So you're 43K too much in profit right now.
Yeah, dude, I was 100K. I took a 100K account to 200K today.
If only that was allowed. Hit the fob button, dude.
It's a Lucid Flex account too, so it's like I can only make 3,000. If it was the other account, it wouldn't have mattered.
Yeah, it wouldn't have mattered. Oh, bro. That's brutal, Emp. That's some big numbers, bro. Damn.
I don't. What do you do at this point? You just.
I know. What do you do? Because like
I'm literally just
making
like
that
trying to
get the
opposite.
payout?
I mean, I might as well just eat the $150 and just reset it. That's probably what I'm gonna do. But it's more fun to just full port back and forth.
You might have to. Yeah. That's.
It's
crazy.
not a funded account. It's an eval, Finster. If it was a funded account, I wouldn't care. I wouldn't be losing money.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You said ignore me. No, you're good.
This is look. This is an eval account, guys. If you're not familiar with prop firms, then just ignore what I'm saying.
Open and close trades. Let the commissions eat the profit. Just over and over. Just max
been trying.
contract. Close. Open and close. Open and close.
I
What
mean, the
else
problem was I went like max short, and then I started actually trading. I was trading my other accounts, and I just forgot about it, and let it go, and it made 100K to the downside.
That's brutal. My goodness.
I wonder if can I just go back and forth from long 60 to short 60 and just run up the fees? It's like literally like trying to trade opposite of how you normally would trade. It's dumb. Let's see. I even tried to like add an oil position and I made $1,800 in the oil position. WBD. There's something with the Paramount deal and lawyers involved, I guess. It's a 2-day eval. You can only have 50%. So like, it's either lose as much money as possible, or I have to make double. I have to make another like. I don't know. I've seen Rizzo do it before, but. I don't know. I made good money on my actual funded account. Dadgummit. All right, I'm flat on my actual trades. It's only on the eval limb. The eval you can't. Yeah, you can only make 50%. But then once you get it funded, then it's just $200 a day. That's why I like that one better. But I bought an eval just to like say, oh, okay, let me add another account to the stack. Well, don't think we're gonna be adding another account to the stack. I mean, we will eventually, but. Dadgummit. Boy, CPI tomorrow is going to be interesting. CVS holds that halfback spot right here. Oh, there's the old friendly.
Tournament.
Ooh, let's go. Fencer. Yeah, those of you that are in NYC, hopefully you can make it by the event. I'll be there for a couple days around the event. If you're there anyway, you can't make the event on that Monday. Maybe I can see you Saturday night, Sunday, midday, something like that. Tuesday's gonna be too packed and I'm flying out Wednesday morning. Oh, there we go. I think most people are flying in Sunday. I don't know who else. I'm flying in Saturday. I don't know when George's getting there. I'm flying in Saturday just because I'm coming from so far. I wasn't gonna make it for Sunday. We have like an evening dinner thing for those of us that are putting the thing on. So I'm getting there like Saturday night. Do we bounce into close or do we kind of need to hold like right there? Maybe a little bit lower on NQ, but right there. VWAP back test on SPY. Oh boy, Charlie's fighting with a Xerox machine in my ear again. Am I coming to Maryland? Maryland is not on my radar right now. I'm sure it's lovely. I don't think I'll be in the Maryland area. You should jump on a train though up to NYC. All right, this is about where you need to bounce. Like right here, you really need to bounce. There you go.
New daily low incoming. Well, aren't we in Power Hour? Statistics are low for that, and we saw that yesterday, even though statistics were low for it, which makes me think that we wouldn't see it back-to-back days, but maybe.
Dude, we're not going down 300 points or 700 points in 30 minutes.
Yeah, I didn't think
Unless
so.
bombs start flying right now. Maybe. Even then, I don't
Like,
think.
and the way I think about it is when you know statistically that pretty much never happens. And then yesterday, it literally just happened. Like, can't bet on that happening again, right?
What-
When it like almost
new-
never
new daily
happens, and it's
low?
the day after it just occurred, you know?
New daily low on what, though? That's the real. I don't know what that.
Yeah, true.
I mean, we retraced a huge part of this move. Did you see my text, Jordan?
No, I didn't. What do you? Let me see. Ooh, juicy, juicy.
trying. Yeah, it's stupid. It's a waste of 100. Whatever I paid.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
I mean, you can apply statistics because the statistics include days like this. It includes all days.
I would say that makes it statistically more likely, not less likely.
I mean,
That
the
just
true
makes no
answer
sense.
answer is that it doesn't change. If you flip a
Yeah.
coin, if you flip a coin 5 times, it lands on heads every time. Does not mean that your probability of getting tails in the next one does not change. It's still 50-50 by definition.
True.
Now,
That's a
you
good
can
point.
say law of averages, revert to mean. Sure, you can make those arguments, but the baseline statistic is 50-50 no matter what. So you take the baseline statistic. It says you don't make a new high or low typically during power hour. Only 20% of the time.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's a good point.
Brent, this is a big key to success. Big key to success.
The way I see it too, Brent, is like I just always forward test. Like, you know, if I have to do something, like I'll throw a paper trade on, you know, I'll throw the position tool up and just have the position tool up like I'm like trading it, but I'm not, you know what I mean? After I've made my money, let the market move without you. It's a good feeling when you're like content with that, you know?
I mean, Brent, to your point, like you should always be learning and reviewing. I mean, the market is dynamic; it changes. Things change all the time. So you should always be learning. You can never stop learning. Just like a doctor can never stop learning. New information comes out, new studies, new things. Like it's the same with the market. Things are always changing, updating, different than they were before. Similarities. Never stop studying. Never stop learning. There's always some little piece of confluence or something you can add.
Today might be a good day to play zeros, by the way. I'm going to look at them in about 10 minutes. Yeah, today is a good day to learn. And it's a good day to use stop orders when you're buying knives, because that's how I survived today.
Yep, same.
Because it's ridiculous to buy them, but we were buying them down, 1,000 points, and we were wrong. And
Yeah.
I thought we were right on that last candle, and then the helicopter thing came out, and that stopped me.
That was
out.
that would
I
have
had stop orders in.
that was thank God I did too. That was literally the difference between me having a massive day and still having a good day.
Because that helicopter fall, when they announced that stopped me out at a small loss. But then, like, I regained my composure. Like, fuck, I thought we were there finally. And then, did I buy a lot? No, but I bought a few, and I made it. I didn't make what you did. I didn't make 400 points, but I made 200.
Yeah, the fact that the stupid ass algos reacted to that, it was a headline from last night. It stopped me out of a great spot that I was in too. Stopped out like 100-point loss and then bought it back higher.
But like, I would have blown. That would have hurt. I would have.
Oh, it would have blown. Yeah, it would have blown
I would
you.
have blown the account.
Yeah,
So,
because it went down. I mean that was like we had kind of the final flush right before that, and then it did like one more. But that
that's
was
why
like
you got to take profits when you get those little bounces. I mean, there was times when I had four that I saw with my P&L. I'm like, I'm up like $3,000. What am I doing? Sell something. And it's not always good to look at your P&L, but like when you're trading the opposite side of the way the market's going, it very well may go half back like it did today. But you have to
that
take
was
profits.
that was a
It's
300-point candle.
Staying green every day.
It was like that was 20% of today's range on that one last little headline. Well, it's like it wasn't like news dropped. He just because there was like rumblings of it last night. Wasn't like, but then Trump said it, and so everything reacted to that True Social post.
You also want to know why the market went down like it did today. And it's we don't really know, but there was some talk this morning that made me a little suspect. And like when we were trading at highs this morning, and I'm like, I was just like, I can't believe the market doesn't give a shit about this AI thesis where there's they're running out of cash and they're investing a lot of money, or they're creating these SPVs to with the investment banks in Wall Street to create to buy more of whatever they're buying and to keep selling. And Avgo Broadcom was is one of them, and they're all doing it, and they're all circling around each other. So like, it doesn't mean that something bad's going to happen, but it just means that they no longer can go to the bond market for money. It's too expensive.
Chopping right at the midpoint.
Mm-hmm. And this could have something to do with SpaceX, could have to do with the other IPOs. There's a lot of
I
headlines.
think there's a lot of things. Like I do think SpaceX is a part of the puzzle here, because I think they're freeing up liquidity. I mean, how are they going to buy it? They got to sell something to buy it. So I think a lot of these ETFs are probably dumping other things so that they can get SpaceX in there.
I mean, I think SpaceX is going to go well, but I don't know. But if it were to go bad, you're going to see the market down a lot more than you did today. It's got the market on its back a little bit. I mean, basically, you're seeing a mini Mag 7 go public at a huge valuation.
Yeah.
I mean, it's Tesla on steroids. And Tesla's overvalued. So, holy shit. And the valuation will take it right into MNQ. It'll be in QQQ. So, it's going to add volatility too. And based on, once they get their allocation of it and they buy it, because the funds have to buy it, and QQQ is going to have it in there. See what percentage it's going to take up. It's going to make a difference. What's Micron's valuation here?
Is it still over $1 trillion? Micron, yeah, $1 trillion.
Bigger valuation in Micron.
SK Hynix was up 15% today, and it got back over $1 trillion. Over in the Korea must have bounced overnight. That's probably what pushed us so hard.
Where's that Cerberus? Where's that? That had a big comeback too.
CBRS down 4, right at 50 billion. What's the daily?
Look at the daily in that thing. Holy shit. Look at the daily in that thing. 386 to 196 to...
It opened at 350.
Yeah.
I think it was like I want to say it was like 180 or something was the issue price. I can't remember.
Its low is 196. It traded as high as 385.69.
That's crazy. And who knows what SpaceX is going to do. And you have 2x leverage ETFs going in the system.
Giddy up. Volatility plus.
I'm probably gonna trade a little bit of those on Friday just for fun. A few $100, throw them into some of those 2x leverage ETFs, trade around. But yeah, I think between that and things were just overcooked, especially on the some of these AI plays are just overcooked. A lot of leverage in the system, so you flushed a lot of that out. Uh-oh.
I had a great short into the 10-minute VWAP. It was great this afternoon. That made my day.
Look at the hourly off of that low. Oh, we hit the hourly 9. How about that?
But like, there's no reversal. Like, you look at the 15-minute, there wasn't really a reversal candle. The 30 looks like a reversal candle, so that's good, something to look back on.
The only thing I saw was the 30, or like if you look at the 15, when that third 15-minute closed above these previous ones, down that candle right here, above these over here.
Yeah.
Maybe.
And then it back tested it. Yeah.
That was 10. That was 10-minute. I'm sorry. That was, the 30-minute though. Once that 30-minute closed, it had the little fill goal post. And now you have a huge bottom wick on the daily. The key is, I think, getting back into Friday's range, last week's range. I think that's the biggest key.
All right, SPX. Let's take a look.
Does it have one more washout in it?
Wow. They got him juiced.
Yeah, well, VIX is at 20. Well, this last 20 minutes can be very interesting. This could very much change the picture of today versus, going into tomorrow.
I am long CBOE calls.
It's a decent looking daily.
They're very thin, very thin. It's almost like gotta work before you make money.
There we go. Are we going to save it here into the close? SPY needs to get back over 735. QQQ needs to be over 704. Oh. I got a feeling they're going to close this right inside of Friday's low. A little bit higher. Five minutes till MOC. It's interesting here because, I mean, you sit here and think Trump retaliate tonight.
don't know if you can get any counts that are straight to funded and end of day payouts.
Boy, they're just trying to hold right here.
Hold it.
This is
What a day. What we got? 15 left, 13. 3 minutes till MOC.
for Frank.
I'm gaming them a lot just because I can play with them.
Oh, what if they just crush this right here? I don't even know what we want to hold. I think we just want to reclaim Friday at this point. Maybe QQQ 700, 699, spot 5 could be an okay spot. Which would be like 750 to 780 on NQ. MOC in 40 seconds. There's MOC. Apple's a big buy side. Nvidia's a big buy side. Amazon's buys, they're buying all Mag 7s. 3.6 billion to buy across the market. Nasdaq's 1.6 billion. It's a pretty big buy side. And look, we're inside of Friday, or right at Friday's low. Needs to close a little bit higher than this, and it's still fine. Mag 7, I think, is the biggest key. They need to rotate back into those and have those come lead the market again. Right back to halfback. What a ripper. This is 180 points. This June NFP is Friday's low. That's what it needs to close above right here. Right on it.
Yeah, both SPY and QQQ right on it. A little above it and QQQ right on it and SPY.
IWM and the Dow are both green.
Let's see here. Let's see if we can get some calls. Some calls for tomorrow.
It's crazy with this range. Like, where do you even go?
Well, if you're inside, if you open and close inside.
This book map is wild. Use the close, Black Mamba. And yeah, if we can't go below NFP low, you rotate back to the high. Which this range is so big. That's gonna be insane. We just go back up 1,000 points again tomorrow. I got it down to 25,000, 26. Yeah, CPI is going to be wild tomorrow. Yeah, maybe it's not, but it just feels like it. RSP closed green today as well. Look at that. Equal weight. ADD is positive. Internals finish the day positive, more buying than selling. I'm not good at losing money. Well, I went from 100,000 to 25,000, so I lost 75K this afternoon on this eval. Wasn't easy. Trying to trade opposite of how you normally trade. $1,600 down, 900 points up. What a day. One minute.
Great day.
1 minute remaining in the final period. 1 minute. Oh no.
Hey, Jordy.
Hey, Jordan. Shout out Mama Ace.
I'm a ace. They're going to lunch.
I forget it's just noon there.
Yeah, it's 1 o'clock. Crazy.
So you do have the massive bottom wick, which is a huge liquidity grab. So it definitely tells you it's recovering. Reclaiming into last week's range, last Friday, is the key to me. That's the biggest key, and we closed above it.
Wouldn't Mateo like to know? It's a crazy comment, bro. Bitcoin is the answer. Bitcoin.
Bitcoin is the KT. I've been nice all day long.
Lordy.
Now what?
Now, what in tarnation is that? What in tarnation?
Oh, hell of a day. What? this daily candle is wild, but let's look just real fast. I see once again SPY, big bottom wick reclaiming back into last week's range. Actually, if I zoom out just a little bit, it closed right on the point of control. So that's your flip spot right there. 737. QQQ, same thing. You close, you need to get over 710 basically. But you got within 704, 705. Reclaim into last week's range. Look to go higher.
Agreed.
That's all I see.
Everybody wanted to dip. This is it.
IWM closed above the 20-day and the 21 EMA. The Dow is on the 9. It's way up there. RSP, the equal weight, closed above everything. This is equal weights, the broad. This is RSP, the broad like market. So like if you take away the NVIDIA's weightings, the heavy weightings, it's just the broad market. This isn't sell everything. This has been mostly clear out a bunch of liquidity on tech, which kind of plays into my same theory that they're selling a lot of things to go buy SpaceX. If you have, if you're an ETF, you have a lot of tech, you're a tech ETF, don't you have to, you have to raise cash somewhere.
Yeah.
Maybe it's software that's getting, software doesn't look great, has a little bit of a bottom wick on it, but it doesn't look, this doesn't look fantastic. SMH is the other big key. Look at SMH. SMH closed above the 20-day, closed above all these prior highs to the left over here. Hold on. Yeah. There. All those reclaimed, not only reclaimed Friday's low, reclaimed yesterday's low. Oh, we're popping. What are we popping on?
Mateo was 10 minutes behind. Oh my gosh. You're with the program.
Vance, Iran deal could come in a week or months. Iran deal will definitely come before midterms. What the fuck? What does that mean? About to get that golden retrace. 228.
The retrace of the golden pocket. Gas coming down in Florida. It's good. That's what we like to hear.
Don't ask me why it's 229 on one chart and 228 on the other chart. Oh, I missed the exact high, I guess. There we go. Give me a 1 point leeway on Oh, did we hit 200? No. But yeah, SMH, just to finish my thought there, I go back over to that chart. SMH, here's that chart. Not only did you reclaim into Friday's low down here, you also reclaimed into yesterday's low, and then you look left at all those equal lows from back in May. This is like May 26th. Cracker Barrel earnings just reported. Don't care. What's MAGs look like? MAG 7 off of the 200-day today. Interesting. All right.
Great day, gents.
is tomorrow? Dadgummit, I'm making money again on accident.
Still trying to lose money? Goodness.
I had it down as low as 25. Now it's all the way back to 40. All right, I'm gonna go to Stocks and Spaces.
Great day. Everybody enjoy. We'll be back tomorrow. Another great day. What's Wednesday tomorrow? It's Wednesday.
Yep. Guys, go check out
Yeah,
the Technical Tuesday. Jason, Paper Gains, friend of the show, participant of the show. Wolf Summit participant will be live on Amit's channel, Technical Tuesday.
Let's go.
All right, guys. See you in
Shout
the
out.
morning.
See you, Frankie.
See you tomorrow, Frankie. Later, crew.